Well guys, welcome back at ImWateringPSUs in the new studio, and today with a new desk from a brand you might not have heard of, Dezctop, especially if you're from Europe, because they have just started to distribute in Europe, and I am, I think, one of the first people here in Europe to be able to get one of these. Now, what is it? Well, it's a hydraulic desk. Basically, it's a desk that can go up and down and become a standing desk and then come back to a normal desk. However, it doesn't end there, because it has a huge back panel, the one you see in the back right here, which allows you to put a monitor directly in there and to use many of the accessories that they provide. They give you little cups or little shelves in which you can put your stuff. I have been using this thing for 2 weeks now, and I have been loving the cups, especially because I just put the USB keys I use for my PC building in there all the time, and it is a PC oriented desk, of course. If not, I wouldn't be featuring it here, and it has a special attention to cable management, both under the desk and on top of the desk. Basically, you don't see any cable at all once the desk is fully built. But enough with saying how good it is, let's see how it was the whole buying and mounting experience, okay? So let's get started. Now, I got the bigger version sent in, and it came in various packages, very big packages. I actually have the footage of when it was first brought to me, and the courier himself was a bit like, how heavy is this thing? How big it is? And why that's important is because a heavy desk is a solid desk that won't break on you. Okay, that's very important. You can just put 3 monitors, full tower PC with custom loop, and sit on the desk, and it will still go up and down electrically. So that's very important. And the build quality is just there to be seen as soon as you start building it. So I will leave you with a little montage of the whole building process, and then I will talk to you about the most important parts, in my opinion. Now, big thanks to my girl for all the mounting. It definitely wasn't an easy process, but I think building furniture, unless it's from IKEA, is really fun. So we had a blast doing this, and I think it came out looking nice. And now, yes, those legs were really heavy, and it has quite a bit of attachments on the underside, but it just goes to show how much of a premium product this desk is. Of course, you can't compare it to those 200 euros desks you find around. And of course, it comes with a hefty price point, around 800 euros for this model right here, and the accessories as well. They are pretty expensive, as we will detail later. But I think it's definitely, I don't want to say worth it, because being worth it is absolutely personal, but I think you get the extra quality, if it makes sense. So you're not overpaying for a cheap product. You're paying top dollar for a top quality product. So I think value for money, in my opinion, is an absolute yes. And for me, honestly, I think it's definitely worth it. Now, of course, this was sent to me, just disclaimer. But genuinely, I think if I had to pick a desk for myself, I definitely see myself buying one for personal use. So yes, I'm really happy about it. Now, again, the underside is very complex, and it allows you to hide all the cables. It also has the power brick for the desk itself, because again, it goes up and down. And within the accessories, there are also some LEDs which you can put on the desk. So those have to be cable managed as well. So clearly, that's another layer of complexity to the desk itself. And then you just mount the whole panel, which basically covers your wall and allows you to have this very cool drop with black, and then still seeing the wall behind it. And it comes with all the accessories and cable management magnetic strips. Those are very useful as well. You can also buy the monitor stand to just attach it to the backboard, which is, I think, honestly, I would personally buy it for myself. So I can recommend that. We will actually do a conversion in my studio and transition from that tiny monitor there to a proper monitor, wall mounted, so I can free up some space on the desk, which I think is going to be worth it as well. And a little extra accessories that you might want to take a look at specifically for you, but those are the main ones. Now, you can find obviously all of that on Dezctop website, and I will leave it down below in the description in case you want to just document yourself more. They also do the Bifrost version, the non-Bifrost version. They have many models, even cheaper. This is their top of the line model, the best they have. And they also do different colors. I picked the black because I think it would look nice in my studio. So, building experience, definitely challenging, is definitely heavy, but it gets a full pass from me. Price point, I think for a high-end product, it checked the mark. It's not too expensive. It's expensive, but not too expensive for what you get. Now, let's talk about my experience, my use case, and if I am liking it. Well, yes, I am liking it. It's in my studio, and you have probably already seen it in my videos in the back. I think for someone who wants to stay healthy, to have a desk that goes up and down is very useful. It's also very useful for content creators, because you can shoot the videos by having the desk in the middle of your room. That's something I have decided not to do because of the, obviously, of the backboard that it has. But if you are gonna buy one without, then definitely you can put one in the middle of the room and just shoot content from behind it, and you'll be able to lower it up and down. So I think it's a good use, and the whole finish looks premium. It's especially good for taking pictures of computers and to do videos on. It's not a work desk, so the material has a very finite and luxurious finish, so it gets scratched easily. So you can't work like manually, just like, you know, soldering on it. It's not a work desk. It's a desk for your computer, for your setup, so you have to use it for that, but for that it's absolutely great. So from now on, it will be a staple on the studio. You will see it basically in all my videos, and I can 100% recommend it if you have the price point and if you're looking for something like this. I can also recommend their lower end products, because again, it's just smaller desks with less accessories, and they come in cheaper. So thank you, Dezctop, for sending it over, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was a bit different than usual, but seeing that you enjoyed my garage renovation video, by the way, go check that one out if you haven't already. I think this one might have been something you could have liked. So let me know if you like it, if you want to see more reviews of furniture and stuff like this, and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.